Jeremiah Campbell here with Brickworks Property Restoration. Today we're going to talk about foundation repair. Those words alone are enough to scare the average homeowner, and that's understandable. It's some of the most costly repairs that you'll ever experience in a home. Today I'm going to give you 5 basic tips from the pros on when and how to choose the proper foundation repair contractor. The first tip I want to share with you is managing your water. And what I mean with managing your water is making sure that the water is properly pitching and getting away from the house as fast as possible. Some of the fastest and easiest solutions to this is making sure your downspout extensions are far enough away from the home, making sure that they're properly connected, and making sure that the greater pitch of your yard isn't back pitched into the house, allowing the water to settle right up against the house. The second tip I want to share with you is managing the little problems as they arise. ASAP. This is where the problem never gets better, it always gets worse. When you see a simple crack in your foundation wall, call us immediately. If the windows and doors aren't properly opening, you know some kind of shifting is taking place. If we can come out there, we might be able to remedy this for a cost-effective solution rather than getting more dramatic and completely excavating the house. One of the simplest ways to prevent the long-term damage is simply walking around your house, noticing and paying attention to see if you're seeing dirt erode away right next to the house. If you're seeing the grass uneven in certain areas, we're dealing with plumbing breakages, you're dealing with improper drainage, and what's going to happen over time is if you don't regularly inspect your own property, you're the one that lives there. You're going to know your property better than anybody else. So make sure you take the time to take a look and see if anything looks out of the normal. One thing that I always share with my friends and family is to always rely on your gut. When you walk into your basement or your crawl space, if you're smelling or you're seeing something that doesn't look right, musty smells, smell that you're not getting proper ventilation, or seeing water or mold on the walls, or a telltale sign that you have some kind of a foundation where water is leaking into, you can simply buy a moisture meter and monitor it from Amazon for under $10. I get asked every day, is this something that my insurance company will cover? And unless you're experiencing a hurricane or something that automatically happens instantly or catastrophic or an act of God, at that point only will insurance companies step in. If they can prove with foundations that nothing caused it immediately or something that was out of your control, they will not cover it. I can't stress enough the importance of partnering with a qualified foundation contractor. Here at Brickworks, we've been fixing foundations for over 2 decades. I want to make sure that you know that this is not a chuck in a truck job. This is not something that you can look at lightly. Make sure if you're going to spend the money that you call a qualified contractor that's licensed and insured specifically in foundations and has the engineering background to back up and support every project that they do. Make sure you give us a call at 586-868-3234.